really into skincare for a long time, just the overall taking care of the skin. And the first line I wanted to review on my channel was the e.l.f. skincare line. And I've been a big fan of their cosmetics line. I have a shadow palette, I have a blush palette, I have a setting spray, and a couple of other things. And I'm actually a really big fan of their line. And so when they came out with the skincare line, I was really intrigued. So I went out and bought a few of their products, and I've been using them now for about 3 weeks to almost a month. And that's the best way to review skincare products, because you need to find out how it responds to your skin. So I'm going to go through everything that I bought. I'm going to give you a little information about each product. I'm going to give you a demonstration, and then at the very end I'm going to give you my final thoughts. But before I start, go ahead and hit that subscribe button along with the notification bell, just to let you know every time I upload a video. So the first thing I have is a hydrating gel melt cleanser, and this gentle and hydrating formula transforms from a gel to a milky cleanser to easily dissolve the makeup and cleanse the skin. So in the beginning of the day, when you put your makeup on and you have your primers and your powders and your setting sprays, your makeup really shouldn't move throughout the day. So by the end of the night, when it's time to take it all off, you just put a little bit of this gel in your hand and rub it on your face, and you can literally feel the makeup just slide off your face, which is great because your skin doesn't tug as you take your makeup off. So that's what this is for. Next up is a daily face cleanser with purified water, and first of all, it doesn't have any parabens, no sulfates, and no phthalates. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. It washes away dirt and makeup with our gentle, soothing cleanser infused with purified water to hydrate the skin. Our formula leaves skin feeling clean and renewed. And this is a 5 full ounce container, and really a little goes a long way. I feel like this is going to last you a long time. So you just squeeze a little bit in your hand with a little bit of water, and it will take care of the rest. So yeah, this is the daily cleanser. I also have an exfoliating scrub with purified water and vitamin E, and again with the no parabens, no sulfates, no phthalates. Treat your skin to this gentle exfoliating scrub to help buff and polish away dead skin cells for glowy, healthy looking skin infused with purified water and vitamin E. Our rich hydration formula leaves skin feeling smooth and looking luminous. So it's always really great to have a exfoliating type scrub in your skincare routine, because it takes away all the dead skin cells and it leaves your skin looking really healthy and glowy. So that's what this is for. So I picked up some moisturizer, and this is a daily hydration moisturizer, and it's lightweight, lightly scented moisturizer, helps hydrate and nourish for glowy, healthy looking skin infused with purified water and skin nourishing jojoba, aloe, vitamin E, and cucumber, rich in antioxidants and shea butter, grape, and orange. And it's very, very important to keep a moisturizer in your skincare routine, especially now when the weather is really cold and your skin is really dry, and it's just important to keep your skin nice and hydrated and moisturized. And what's great about this is that it comes with a pump. So you just after you've done cleansing your skin, you just give it a couple of pumps, and then you rub it, and then you rub it all over your face, and it's really great. So yeah, I have some moisturizer. And last but not least, I have a illuminating eye cream, and it helps to hydrate and minimize the appearance of dark circles and puffiness for glowy, healthy looking skin. And it's infused with purified water and vitamin E, and that seems to be the common ingredient in all their skincare products, at least the ones that I bought. And this is great because it has a creamy consistency, and you just dab a little bit underneath your eyes. I have dry under eyes, so it really helps to keep your under eyes really nice and hydrated and moisturized. So I was very excited to pick this up. So now I'm going to go into a routine and show you how each product works, and stick around to the very end so I can give you my final thoughts. so I'm done with my skincare routine, and you guys, my skin feels great. It feels nice and moisturized and hydrated, and if I was ready to put some makeup on, which I'm not, I know that it will apply really great. And if I was ready to go to bed, which I am, I know I'm gonna wake up to some really great skin. I know for me, I really enjoyed and loved using this Hydrating Gel Milk Cleanser. Sometimes I don't know whether I like putting makeup on or taking it off. And this product right here makes taking makeup off so much more easier. Like I said in the beginning, once you put your makeup on and you had your primers and your powders, your makeup is locked throughout the day. But once you're ready to take it all off, all you gotta do is rub this on your face and you can feel the makeup just literally melt off your face, and it makes taking makeup off so much more easier. So I love this product, and I definitely recommend it. So I've been really loving this illuminating eye cream, you guys. I have been using it now for over a month, and I have noticed the difference in the reduction of the fine lines underneath my eyes. Now, they haven't completely gone away, but I have noticed the difference, especially when I take pictures of myself and, you know, we run it through the filters. I mean, we live in an Instagram world. We do it. I do it. Like, we all do it. And I have noticed the difference. It's only since I've been using this product have I noticed that difference, and it also keeps my eyes really hydrated. So I love this product, and I definitely recommend it. So I'm an oily to combination type of skin girl, and since it's been cold outside, my skin has been crazy dry. So for the past month or so, I've been using this daily hydration moisturizer, and it's kept my skin really moisturized and hydrated. And I even use this at night, and when I wake up in the morning, my skin still feels moisturized. So this is a really great product as well. So I had to get used to this exfoliating scrub. The beads is so thin and so small. I really didn't think it was going to do the job at taking away the dead skin off my face. But since I've been using it, it's really left my skin feeling really soft and smooth and renewed. So I guess in the end, it won me over. So out of everything that I've tried, I think the one product that I liked the least was the Daily Face Cleanser, only because it lathers up on me, and whenever I use a cleanser that lathers up on me, it leaves my skin feeling tight and dry. And that's why it's always great to have a good moisturizer in your skincare routine. But I don't think I will repurchase this particular cleanser again, but I will look for a cleanser that's more creamier. So overall, you guys, I really think the e.l.f. skincare line is really great, and I know they have a lot more in their line, and I can't wait to get my hands on them in the future. So when I do, just let me know if you want me to do a review in the comment section down below. But I think I will anyway. And I think the price point is amazing. It's not going to break the bank, and the packaging is really beautiful. It looks really great on your vanity. It gives it like a spa-like feel. So if you're a fur mommy like myself, e.l.f. products are also cruelty-free, so that was really important. So that's it, you guys. If you enjoyed this video as I did making it, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Subscribe if you haven't already, and sharing is caring. Until then, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time in my next video. Bye-bye.